4. MS Paint. Chapter Focus. Features of MS Paint. Main parts of MS Paint window. Different tools available in MS Paint and their uses. Ways to resize image, flip and rotate, crop the image, copy and paste, cut and paste, etc. Microsoft Paint or MS Paint is a simple graphics editing and drawing program that has been included with all the versions of Microsoft Windows. You can draw or edit the existing drawing by using the tools available in it. Tools like Select, Pencil, Eraser, Color, etc. are used to make the drawings on the computer. Opening MS Paint. Following are the steps to open MS Paint. Step 1. After opening the window, click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. Now click on Paint. The Paint window shall open up for you to work upon. Components of Paint window. Let us know about the different components of the Paint window. Paint button. Paint button is located on the top left side of the window. It provides basic commands for file operations where you can open a new or existing drawing, print an image, save an image, and exit MS Paint. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is located on the top left side of the title bar. It contains a set of commands that are selected by the users like save, undo, redo, etc. The ribbon. Ribbon has a series of tools. It is located at the top of the program window. It contains several tabs, that is Home, Image, Tools, etc. Shapes tool. The Shapes tool is one of the most powerful and useful tools for designing an image. There are different kinds of shapes present. Color palette. This is the area for selecting and managing colors in your drawings. Menu bar. It is located below the title bar. Menu bar displays the menu. Title bar. It displays the title of the software and the name of the current document. Drawing area. It is the area where you can draw and color the pictures. Drawing tools in Paint. The mouse and different tools available in MS Paint are used to draw and color the picture. Let us discuss about the tools and their uses. Tools. Use. Line tool. This tool is used to draw lines of different thickness and length in any direction. Pencil tool. This tool is used to draw different shapes like straight, wavy and curved lines. Brush tool. This tool is used to draw freehand lines like you draw on the paper. Rectangle tool. This tool is used to draw shapes of squares, rectangles or boxes with different borders. Circle tool. This tool is used to draw the shape of circle or oval. Rounded rectangle tool. This tool is used to draw rectangles with rounded corners. Polygon tool. This tool is used to draw closed shapes with straight lines. Curve tool. This tool is used to draw curved lines. Text tool. This tool is used to write anything in Paint. Select tool. This tool is used to move the object from one place to another in Paint. Color picker tool. This tool is used to select and copy a color from any part of the opened image and use it elsewhere in the image. Some more features of MS Paint. Resize an image. This command is used to make changes in the size of an image. Steps to use this command are given below. Step 1. First, click on Home tab. Step 2. Then, click on Select. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Resize. Step 5. Resize and Skew box will appear. Select the Maintain Aspect Ratio in the box. Step 6. Select Radio button of pixels. Step 7. Select horizontal value for width and vertical value for height. Step 8. Now click on OK. New size will appear. Flip and rotate. Flip feature is used to get mirror image of the drawing. Changes appear either horizontally or vertically. Rotate feature is used to change the position of the drawing at different angles. Steps to use this feature are mentioned below. Step 1. First, click on Home tab. Step 2. Then, click on Select. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Rotate. Step 5. Click on any degrees of rotation you want. Then the image rotates. Crop image. The crop tool allows to remove the portion of the drawing area which you do not need. Follow the given steps to use the crop tool. Step 1. First, click on Home tab. Step 2. Then click on Select. Step 3. Select the part of the image you want to retain by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Crop. Then select the portion you need. Only the selected part appears. Copy and paste. Copy and paste feature is used to get a duplicate copy of the whole or part of the image or drawing at a new location. It can save time. Follow the given steps to use this feature. Step 1. First, click on Home tab. Step 2. Then click on Select. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Copy option. Step 5. Click on Paste option. Step 6. The duplicate image appears. Step 7. Now place the mouse pointer on the selected image and drag it to any new location you want. Do you know? You can also press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Cut and paste. Cut and paste feature helps us to delete image from its original location and paste it at another location. Steps for the same are given below. Step 1. First, click on Home tab. Step 2. Then, click on Select. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Cut option. Now, open the drawing area where you want to move the image. Step 5. Now click on Paste option. Image will get pasted and appear in the chosen drawing area. Save your image. You can save an image for further use. Following are the steps. Step 1. Click on the Paint button. Step 2. Click on Save option. Save as dialog box appears. Step 3. Type any name for the image in the file name box. Step 4. Now click on Save to save your image. Points to remember. Microsoft Paint or MS Paint is a simple graphics, editing and drawing program. Paint button, quick access toolbar, the ribbon, drawing area are some main parts of Paint window. Pencil tool is used to draw different shapes. Polygon tool is used to draw closed shapes with straight lines. Crop tool is used to remove the portion of the drawing area which you do not need. A. Tick the correct option.